We got the bomb.
Don't have lightweight on.
Bomb carrier down.
If that was gonna happen.
Jesus Christ.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
I don't get it.
Get ready for the
That
next
doesn't make
one.
sense.
Mission time extended.
It's all about the first kill. Whoever gets it just fucking wins.
Search
so.
and destroy. Protect the objectives.
Bay.
They go in middle, nigga, watch out. Dude, I ain't going up there, dude. That's crazy. That's death right there, dude. Chill back.
Just help him. Oh, why would you do that? There's no rush, Blizzy. Brendan, you gotta come back. Oh my god. I already know what's gonna happen. I already know what's gonna happen. I can't peek this door. Oh!
Alright, go, get back, get back, get back, get back.
Go.
Good.
That bang I just got, I'm talking about the first kill. You don't even know where I just banged, Blizzy. Did you see where I was?
No.
I was next to B-bomb, and I banged the kid middle in one shot.
Damn, dude. That's what won us the game right there, dude. Squirtle's fucking pick.
It's all about the fucking first kill.
Time.